While some people are making a mad dash to the store, others are finding a safe place to stay. Hotels are seeing an increase in guests amid the ongoing winter storm. At the Holiday Inn Express on the Henderson Strip, the general manager tells us that the phones have been ringing off the hook all day with people trying to find somewhere to stay. Officials say that they are at half capacity right now, and they're only expecting the number of guests to increase tonight.
If you're looking for a room or you're looking for a room for your employees, you need to call us as soon as possible to secure that room here in town before it gets any worse.
The hotel industry has been hit hard amid the pandemic, and the general manager tells us this could help boost profit amid a struggling time.